Wanted to give you guys a garden update. The garden's exploded like crazy. You can see zucchini, like huge leaves. I have some zucchini growing, some beefsteak that I have to really prune the beefsteak. But see, you can see I've got some tomatoes in there. We didn't get any red ones yet, but got some lettuce down here. The spinach is out of control. But I definitely have to prune these tomatoes. They went a little wild on me. And I've got my first zinnias up. I just can't believe how big. I think this might be the first. Look at the zucchini. I have one down there I have to pick. It's ready to go. I don't know if you can see. See? Then I've got a sunflower in here. Excuse my shadow. Zinnias. Beautiful. And the cucumber, I have to get something to have it grow up. I did just water, so some of the stuff looks deflated. That one there is a super tall zinnia. The marigolds are getting buried, and my rainbow carrots, I don't think they're ready yet, but they're looking really good. And my dill, that's the best I've ever been able to grow dill. I've bought plants before. This is the first time I grew it from seed, and it was more successful for me than buying the actual plants. So, FYI. I don't know if I have any cucumbers in here. I really haven't checked. I know I have a ton of flowers. Oh, I have a baby one growing. Look how cute. He's so little. Oh, that's awesome. But I have to get some sort of trellis or something because it's invading all of my other things. But look at that zucchini. It's insane. It's insane. And the beefsteak is almost up to my shoulders. So I think the egg in the hole, when I did the egg in the hole, it really did help to fertilize the tomatoes. And the one I didn't put the egg in the hole is in the middle, and I don't think it looks as good. It's the smaller one here. So I'm seeing a big difference so far. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope your gardens are growing great. Here's a shot here. Oh, and I want to show you my volunteer. I grew cantaloupe last year, and I think this is, excuse the high grass, I think this is a volunteer cantaloupe, but I could be wrong. That's what it identified it as, which would be super cool. Super cool. I love volunteers. Hope you all are having a great garden growing this year. Bye.